High pressure or low pressure? It's the first question every foam buyer asks. Both turn polyol and isocyanate into foam, but they're built for different jobs. Here is how to choose. First, how they mix. High pressure mixes by impingement. Two streams collide at high speed. Low pressure stirs with a mechanical mixing head. Second, throughput. High pressure runs continuous, high volume parts, seats, panels, fridges. Low pressure suits batch work and slow rebound foams. Third, cleaning and recipe changes. High pressure heads self-cleaned between shots. Low pressure flushes with solvent, handy for frequent recipe changes. So which one? High volume, repeatable parts? Go high pressure. Small batches, many recipes? Low pressure wins. The right machine is the one that fits your product and volume. Tell us what you make and how much. We'll spec HP or LP.